Hey, what's up guys? This is Jerry bringing you another video like always. Long time ago I did a garage door opener, so it's been a while, so I'm gonna do another one and I'm gonna show you what I did already. Alrighty, there were some bolts like right here, 1, 2, 3. So I took them off, and then the chain was right here, the chain. So now we can remove that long stick out of the way. On this one, it was right here. This 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I went ahead and removed it already. So I'm gonna keep breaking it down. There's a bunch of screws everywhere. Always use protection. Drill gun to make the job go faster. Get some pliers, move this, and this right here, that's steel with plastic, as you can see. So this I'm gonna put in my steel pile, move out of the way. Always have all my tools ready to go. Start cutting, start janking stuff out. Last time I got cut, I will make another video on safety. So let me show you real quick. See, that's why you always use gloves. I will tell you that story in another video, like I said. Let's continue doing this. So you just jank this out. I was doing it by hand, and that's how I got hurt. Janking one of this stuff out on a washer. It's a low grade board. So let's go ahead and take all the screws out. Some of this spaces are kind of tight, so I have to use this screwdriver. Maybe this one is going to be too small. Yep. So, let me find the other one. Maybe this will do the job. Yep, this is the winner. That should do it. Okay, it seems that that's another screw. I forgot. So instead of like getting all pissy and start janking stuff out, you know, I have to concentrate and see where they are instead of just getting mad. Okay. This one, just cut it. I'm gonna show you everything later on. Like this right here is brass, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. And right here, that's what we're going for. Nice copper motor, hopefully. So, moment of truth. It's gonna be inside. Today was outside the windings, so Let's turn it around, see if we can cut it. I'll scrape it. Alright, the motor is copper. At first I thought it was aluminum. I kept scraping a little bit more, and it's copper. So I'm going to keep going and take all this apart. It has 2 screws right there. I hate flat screws. I really do. Makes everything harder and more time consuming. Probably have to sit. My feet are hurting. I'll probably speed up the video on this so you don't have to see all this stuff. It's a lot of time consuming. Already. Then this another one over here. Another one right here. That's what I'm saying. If it was Philip, I won't do it with my cousin. But since it's not, I have to do it manually. This one, just a cut. There you go. Yank everything out. Put it to the side. All this wire stuff. And let's see if this would do this trick with this screws. Just too big. So let's do the 1/4. And of course it's too small. Hopefully this is 1. Yep, this is 1. And this is 8 millimeters. That's why it's very important to have your tools organized. I just have a bunch of tools bucket and everywhere. I'm not organized. And that's what I have to work on. Sometimes I don't have time, so I'm always scrapping or doing stuff with the kids, with the family. Alright, besides that, now this one. Turn it this way so you can see it. Alright. So now we have to get this off. And this is going to be a little bit tough. There's a lot of stuff in there. It's just all the ones that we can. Clean it up a little bit. Alright. That should do the job. And then I will come back to this. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, after pausing the video for 2 seconds, I came back over here and sat down, and there was this little thing. I already broke it. Hopefully that does the trick. It's another plastic right there, and still this thing is still stuck in there. So there we go. This is what we want. I have other videos on how to take the copper out, and plus there's a lot of videos in the internet too, so I'm not gonna concentrate on this video on showing you how to take the copper from the motor. That's for another day, or you can watch another video on that. pile. Let me just get the little brass thingies out of the way here. See? Easy. Just jank them out. Another one. This one is not easy. Sometimes when they hard or whatever, I don't even waste my time, you know. Alright, I managed to take a little piece, so there we go. The rest, I'm just gonna leave it there since it's just a little bit. Well, I think I'm done. So this is plastic, this is steel with a little bit of plastic, so the jar will take it like that. Here's the nice little motor, which I will clean later, and a little bit of steel. This is steel. Put it with my steel pile. Bunch of wires. Just gotta jank them out. I usually do it with my hand, but since I got hurt, I don't want to get hurt no more. So I'm using my tools. I'm gonna play smart. Bunch of little brass on the ends. So, nice pile of wire. I don't know what the hell this is. Seems that they like capacitors, who knows. Those are my tools. More wire. This is a low grade board. And then the long piece of steel. I'll show you real quick. Alrighty guys, well, this is Jerry. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos, subscribe, comment, and like, and I'm gonna make more videos right now, so stay tuned so you can watch them later on. Thanks.